Okay, for all you Evo nuts out there, is that a 7, 8 or a 9? I don't know. They all look the same to me. I'm going to go 8. It's freezing with this jacket, man. Fuck, I should have wore the leather one. I need a coffee, man. Woo. Well, if you want your Superbike to wake you up, just ride on a cold day. You don't even have to go fast. That's a nice GT3, man. Oh, that's beautiful. 996. Fuck, that sounds good. That is beautiful, man. That's probably one of my favorite. That's probably one of my favorite GT3s. I like that better than the 997. I like it better than 991 2.2. This is, if I had the pick, this would be the one, the GT3 996. And I don't care if it's an RS. This would be my pick out of the GT3s. Let's just cruise with him. What's this little thing? How cool is that? Hey bro, that's a beautiful 355, beautiful. Blue Mini VK, I think it's an XT, another VK, Monaro GTS, buggy, Tirana SS Walking Shore, another Tirana. It's a pretty big lineup of cars here today. Just doing my round. Back for seconds.
Oh, that's a race car.
try and capture some footage of everyone leaving. I left my helmet on the motorbike back there. Hope no one fucking takes it. But anyway, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared because I've seen these Mustangs give it a hit at car shows and I don't know if I'm standing in the right spot. Stay on the road. Oh God, that was scary. Start. GC8, I used to have one of these. Still my favourite car that I ever owned, honestly. That's a timeless classic, man. Absolutely timeless classic. Oh, fuck. Alright, we've had enough of filming people leave. Let's leave ourselves. God, that sounds good. It sounds so good. Oh yeah. Alright, I'll tell you later. Please go left. Yes! Yes! That was a good day out, man. I enjoyed that. My cousin called me right when the yellow Temerario was leaving, and the guy gave it a hit, and my cousin fucking called. Next time, if you ever do a car show like this, put your phone on airplane mode. Put on airplane mode and just leave it, and everyone can fuck off, man. Like the fucking star of the show. I had it in my hand. I was like, oh fuck, and then just the call sign on the screen. But anyway, fuck it, we got like another 30 cars leaving. Couple cars did a few hits here and there, so 458 was my favourite of the day. 458, that was my favourite car there. Just a stock 458. Maybe I think I had a aftermarket pipe on it, but just like no suspension work, no wheel, just standard Ferrari 458. Stunning car, man. That was my car of the show. Well, that's us. That's wrapped up. We're back home now. I live a couple... Fuck, did you see that in the window? I only live a couple streets from here, so home now. I guess I'll see you next week. Take care, man. Enjoy the rest of your weekend if you're watching this on the weekend. My weekend's over. Today's Sunday. Take care. See you next time. Oh, look what came in today. Just unboxed it. Yeah, there's the new lid. I was trying to color match my jacket, but there's a lot more white on it than I thought. I don't know what the hell I was looking at when I bought it, but anyway.